Yeah, well, can't ride the bike today.
Always down for the cause, never down for the count.
It sucks.
I guess when you start,
been riding pretty regularly lately.
And
get caught in the rain several times. Need to try and find some place down here in around Baton Rouge, Louisiana, to have like a bike meetup somewhere, you know, where people down here ride. Anybody that watches videos, if y'all ride, hit me up, let me know something. Well, I get a week off every 2 weeks. I work a 14/7 schedule on the riverboat. So, yeah, y'all just let me know something, and maybe we can meet up, go for a ride, go to Twin Peaks, you know, something. Catch a couple bike nights somewhere. Anyways, I'm gonna get off here. I don't need the cops pulling me over. Alright, till next time. Bye.